I'm grateful to you that you have given me an opportunity to raise the issue under Rule 256. Sir, just I will make a brief statement so that everybody can understand what Rule 56
Statements
is.
are not allowed. Karge, you make submission.
Yeah,
What you want to say?
I am making
Say,
submission.
The
Submission.
0 hour.
Sir, I wish to raise a very important procedural issue relating to suspension of 12 members of Rajya Sabha for the entire duration of the session. Yesterday, on adoption of motion moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, the moving of the motion and its adoption is a gross violation of rules of procedure regarding suspension of members provided under Rule 256. At the time the minister was moving the motion, I sought to raise a point of order under the provisions of Rule 258 of the Rules of Procedure. As per the well-established conventions, every member who seeks to raise a point of order has to be permitted by the chair to raise the point of order. Furthermore, when the leader of opposition is seeking to raise a point of order, they have to be allowed to raise the same. I was, however, not allowed to raise my point of order.
Right.
This is itself a gross violation of the well-settled, time-honored parliamentary convention. Now coming to the provisions of the suspension of members under provision of sub-rule 1 of Rule 256, before a motion is moved for suspension of any member, the chairman has to first name a member. If he is of the view that a member has disregarded the authority of the chair or abused the rule of the council.
Right, Kargeji, I heard you.
No,
I understood what you want. No, you can't make a statement. You can't make a statement. You cannot make a statement. You can make a point. You can't make a statement.
1 minute, sir.
Let others sit
I
down.
am quoting this.
Let others
rule.
sit down. He is capable of
Sir,
placing it before the house.
sir,
You're not allowing
1 minute.
I
Sir,
allowed
1
him.
minute.
Are you going to dictate to me?
Nobody is going to dictate. How can
Right.
we dictate you?
Right.
Sir,
So-
the rules of council persistently and willfully obstructing the business of the house. Only after naming of such member, the chairman shall put a question on a motion being made under sub-rule 2 of Rule 256. Hence, the suspension of any member, there are two parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. More importantly, this procedure is relevant only on the date of occurrence of the alleged disregard or disorderly conduct of a member.
Right.
However, yesterday,
I can-
sir, you were
I
not
understood.
there.
No, please.
So I am bringing to your notice, 1 minute,
Yeah, please.
half second.
No, what? Take half a minute. No
No,
problem.
no,
Just
no,
tell-
1 minute.
Make the point.
Alleged disregard to disorderly conduct of the member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct.
Right.
Is not in order.
Right, sir.
The
Once
unprecedented
I heard
and
you.
undemocratic
I heard you
is
in
a
rapt
blatant
attention.
violation of the rules.
Right. I
Sir,
heard you.
I demand
Kargeji, please.
This suspension of 12 members may kindly be revoked. I request you, sir.
Please.
And no, we came to your house
if you-
and Sir, 1 minute. We, all members came to your house. We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members, nothing to do with this, and this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?